It was pouring rain, and everyone rushed for cover, except for one little dog, trembling under a bench. People hurried by. Some glanced, others just ignored. Then a young boy stopped, took off his jacket, and gently covered the dog. He whispered softly, "Don't worry, little one. You're safe now." He scooped the pup up, took him home, and offered warmth and food. That night, the dog finally slept soundly for the first time in days. The next morning, he wagged his tail, following the boy everywhere. In that moment, the boy realized he didn't just save a dog, he found a friend for life. Be kind, protect them. Every pet deserves love.